Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and you ever wonder what your favorite YouTubers actually make on YouTube? Well, I'm going to tell you about a website where you could actually find that out. Remember, if you like what you see, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. If you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. And remember to always leave a comment below with your thoughts on the video. Now, whether your favorite YouTuber is me or somebody that has 1 million subscribers, you wonder really what they make on YouTube. And remember, I'm going to tell you there's different ways to make money too besides YouTube. But if somebody has 1 million subscribers, 2 million subscribers, they'll make a lot of money on YouTube. They're getting a ton of views, a lot of people subscribing, and they're going to make, 10, 20, 30,000, maybe even 100,000 a month on YouTube if they have millions of subscribers. But most of us, it isn't that way. So you wonder, type in your favorite YouTuber on this website, and it'll kind of give you a range. So the website is actually called socialblade.com. So as a YouTuber, we can't tell you what we make, but I'm giving you a website you can go to that'll give you. So you can type in Glenn's Car Collection, you can type in Doug DeMuro, Super Speeders Rob, Matt Farrow, whatever you want, and kind of see what they make. Now, it gives you a broad range. You could say they make between $10 a month and $10,000. So it really gives you a big range. Obviously, that's going to depend if people are watching commercials or not, or skipping them, or how many ads you have, how long your videos are. YouTube probably it really goes by watch time. So if you upload every day as opposed to uploading once a week, if you're successful like a Doug DeMuro and they do a once a week video, they have a real long video, maybe 20, 30 minutes, and they do the Doug score at the end and stuff, so you'll watch the entire video, and that'll get more views than if you uploaded, 7 5-minute videos a day. So if you have one strong video, that's a way to do it too. If you type in your favorite YouTuber and you see kind of what they make, try to divide that in half. So if it says he makes between $10 a month and $100, they probably make $50 a month. If it tells you they make between $100 a month and $1,000, they probably make $500 a month. You can even type in Glenn's Car Collection, and if you take the average and you see what I actually make on YouTube, I'm probably losing money once they pay for cameras, GoPros, SD cards, batteries, gas and tolls. Especially in New Jersey, you got to pay a toll to go everywhere. Gas and tolls to go film the car. I don't pay myself a dime. I edit the videos and do everything. That's why the videos aren't edited that much, since I have a full-time real estate broker job. And if I paid for an editor, I'd lose hundreds of dollars a video. So you'll see. And another cool feature about that socialblade.com that I discovered is it'll also tell you subs prediction, so your subscribers. So if you type in Glenn's Car Collection, you'll see what I make, and you'll wonder why I even do this channel. Obviously, I love cars, and that's why I do it. And it gives me access to a lot of cars also, and I love always meeting new people. And obviously, the channel, I meet new subscribers to review their cars. And, I have a very open mind about cars. I mean, in one way, I'm narrow that I like purist, stick shift cars and analog cars. But it's great driving all these different cars, and you have an appreciation for new cars, even dual clutch transmissions, automatics, front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, all wheel drive cars. You learn what's great about the car culture is there's so many different cars to like. It would be really boring if we all liked the same type of car. And that's kind of what I like doing this, because it opens my mind to all these different cars. Some person, a Corvette could be their dream car. Someone, an Audi could be their dream car. Someone, a Honda Civic could be their dream car, So it's great that we all have different aspirations, and we don't need, and I hope the point of this channel is, like, I have some expensive cars, but some of my favorite cars I've ever owned has been like my S2000s. So you could actually buy cheap cars and have just as much fun as, my McLaren 570S. So hopefully that comes across in the channel also. But, so you can type in Glenn's Car Collection or the Smoking Tire, whatever your favorite is, and you'll see sub prediction. So, as I mentioned in other videos, when we get 10,000 subscribers, we'll do a project car. So according to Social Blade, I should have 10,000 subscribers September 1st of this year, 2019, which would be awesome because September 1st is my birthday. So that would be great. Hopefully, so far, I've been able to beat all these predictions. I've had my YouTube channel about 2.5 years. And I think YouTube said it was going to take me like 5 years to get 2,000 subscribers. So if we get it around year 3, which would be, September 1st, roughly, or the summer this year, then it'll be 3 years. So that's good. We're way ahead of their projections. Now, as far as being big time, and I consider 100,000 subscribers big time, I should have 100,000 subscribers 4 years from now. So it really shows you have to do the channel 6 or 7 years to get 100,000 subscribers. And I think if you're looking to start your own YouTube channel, you might not realize that. I get up 5 in the morning to edit videos so I can get to work by 9 to get these videos out, to get 3 videos out a week. For example, I'm shooting this video on a Saturday morning. I try to shoot a couple videos on the weekend, and then that's my videos to edit the 5 days during the week till next Saturday comes and I can shoot videos again. But yeah, so 100,000 subscribers in 4 years. Now that's pretty good too, because I think at some point it was telling me 10 years. So if I can get it 4 years from now, that would be awesome. And if you type in your favorite channels, if you type in these channels that have 1 million subscribers, 2 million subscribers, we may have just heard of them the last couple years. But if you really type in their names, you see they started in 2009 or 2011. So they may have had 5 or 6 years of obscurity where they had literally no subscribers. And then, their videos got better, or the content got better, whether it's cars or whatever. And then they kind of jumped up. Cars is probably harder because it's probably 0.0001% of people are car enthusiasts. So obviously it's a really crowded space. I looked up some car channels, and they're not ranked as car channels, I don't think. I think they're just ranked as overall channels that were ranked, there's 6 million channels more than that have more views than you. Or I put in my channel, and I'm ranked like number 600,000 in YouTube videos. But you know what? A year ago, I was probably 6 million. So it made a big jump in the year, even though you might not notice it in the subscribers. And obviously, it's like, putting money in the bank. So not literally, because YouTube doesn't pay much. But, if you had, it's the old adage, I'll give you $1 million today, or I'll give you a penny and I'll double it for the rest of your life. And assuming you're not 100 years old, you'll come out more money, doubling the money. And that's kind of how you got to look at YouTube as well. Or an investment property in real estate. If you can raise the rents 3% every year and you hold the building for 20 years, you'll make a lot of money. So same thing with YouTube. If you have 1,000 subscribers, then it goes up to 3,000 and it keeps going up or doubling every year. Well, guess what? After 5, 6, 7 years, you'll have a lot of subscribers. But it is a very crowded space. And, there are a lot of YouTubers that started in 2005 when YouTube came to be. And now they're big and have 1 million subscribers, but nobody knew who they were maybe in 2005. Maybe we discovered them 3 years ago or something like that. So it's pretty cool. I think it's, I've used this before. I always wanted to kind of make a video at it. So type in your favorite YouTubers, take that average. So even like a Doug DeMuro, if it says he makes between this and this, I would take those two numbers, add them up, divide it in half, and that's what they probably make realistically a month. And remember, there's other ways. People who are big time have sponsors, so they could get a couple $100 a video, a couple $1,000 videos for their sponsors, depending how many views they have and how many subscribers are, how much of an influencer they actually are. So it's not just the YouTube money, it's all the other money too for sponsorships, which you're only going to get, obviously, if you have a lot of viewers. So that's a cool thing to check out if you're ever bored. You can't sleep at night, you have insomnia, go to socialblade.com. They're not a sponsor. If they want to give me a check, I'll gladly cash it, but you can see what your favorite YouTubers are doing. And if you have your own YouTube channel, you could see what you're predicted to do. And it's just a cool thing to compare channels and see incomes and how they predict your subscribers will grow. So remember, 10,000 subscribers, we get a project car. According to Social Blade, it'll be September 1st, which is my birthday, but hopefully we get it a lot sooner than that. Hopefully we can hit that maybe in June or July or something like that. So get friends to subscribe. If each one of you get a friend to subscribe, we'll make that in a week. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below what you think of Social Blade or what you think of YouTubers, what they actually get paid. And I'll read each and every comment. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching, and I will see you next time.